Today I'm going to be showing you how I produce the 7-string headless multiscale guitar called the Tamar. This is the neck part of the process, so I'm going to show you how I get from this to this. So similar to the previous video, I've put in a vacuum channel as well as a gasket channel. This enables me to do all 4 stages of the process for how I do my headless necks. Stage 1 is preparation of the stock and cutting of the recess for which the fretboard will go into. Stage 2 is the fretboard itself, 3 the back of the neck, and 4 the radiusing of the fretboard as well as the fret slots and how I do my headstock scoop, so to speak. So the neck is freshly off the CNC, and I've also done the fretboard, which I inlay. It's a personal preference, I really like it, and I feel it shows off a little bit more love and attention to the process. But what I have got to do is actually inlay the truss rod now, prior to the actual radiusing of the fretboard and also the shaping of the back of the neck. These just drop in. I always use double action truss rods from Armstrong Music. So now just a bit of glue, and then I drop in the fretboard, and then I use sellotaped up bits of offcuts, and then they sit either side and it holds it down. Fretboard is now inlaid into the neck, and good thing is that it all stays nice and true, so we can go back in the machine. I'll then skim the fretboard flush with the outer material and start machining the back of the neck with the bolt holes and as well as the serial number, and then we'll flip it back over again, still using all the same dowel location marks, and then I can radius the fretboard, put in the fret slots, do a profile cut with some tabs just to hold it in place, and then we'll cut the tabs and a free neck is revealed. So the tabs that were located at the back of the neck and at the headstock end have now been filed and sanded flat. I just use a smooth file and then I use a bit of sanding paper on the back of a Rich Light sample. If you've liked this video, please like, subscribe and comment down below. I will try and reply to everyone who does. Thank you for watching, and bye.